What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. So, today I just want to give you a little notice about the trading journal. I have anticipated a few videos back. I'm almost done with both the spreadsheet and the Notion type of journal, and soon it will be available for you guys for free. And I want to give you the tool that hopefully will make me and you better. But now let's hop on the charts and let's start analyzing it. So it is currently 3:53, almost 4. I think I will first wait for the hourly close. This 50, no, yes, this hourly close before doing anything. But the idea today is essentially this price there we swept. Actually, yesterday, what we saw on Euro USD did actually work out pretty well. The idea was solid, but basically price did the move we expected only during New York PM session, in Asia session, and throughout the London session. But today we are not going to focus on Euro USD because it's kind of chopped. We are going to be focusing on the British pound against the US dollar today because it's clearly a lot more smoother with more volume overall. And my idea basically is that, as you can see here, price took out this liquidity and swept out yesterday before market closure and during Asia session, and throughout all of today price just flashed down. Now I want to see a kind of continuation setup from here. The ideal would be for price to start retracing back into this 15-minute fair value gap for then giving me a setup side of that towards the sell side liquidity, which is also supported by this low resistance liquidity right here. And then we have our low right here from last week, and we also are inside a pretty good higher time frame fair value gap. And with the Fibonacci tool we can also see that the 15%, like the half, is right here. Yeah, there should be multiple reasons for it to drop. And actually, based on that, I will be very careful already once price really reaches this point right here. Because the other idea is the price takes out this low right here or this one right here, then comes up. Therefore, we are going to look for a potential setup right here, displacement with a market structure shift and everything towards this 15-minute fair value gap. This is the idea. Now we just have to wait. The reason I had my alarm set is because I had to poop while I was in the bathroom, and luckily nothing major happened. It's just only still forming structure, and hopefully we get a setup, but we're not going to force anything. If something shows up, then we are going to take it. If not, then we do not do anything. Alright guys, so we just reached our final sell side liquidity that I had as a target as intended, and it's currently 4:37 p.m. The volume probably won't be as great as anymore, and I don't think I will have enough volume for it to push back into this range right here. Therefore, I think today we will end it up right here with no trades taken, even though still the idea was great. It did have an actual pretty good move. It was just not enough, and we had no opportunities to jump into this trade due to lack of confluences because price just retraced this little bit right here and then kept dropping. But at least I wanted to see price to get into this range right here, because as you guys can see here, we did not have actually any type of higher time frame support from this area right here, and you would have been just a blind sell into the void, and the risk to reward was just not there. I think we did a great job today still. Even though we did not make money, we didn't click buy or sell, we still made the best decision we could have. And it's almost done for the month of August. Honestly, has been pretty rough, but especially with the tweaks and the optimization with both of my trade system and my journal right now, will just get better every day. We need to get better, just 1% every day. And yeah, I think even tomorrow I will very likely not be able to be at the charts during my usual trading window. Therefore, I won't be actually recording it or taking trades, but I could probably just give you guys a recap tomorrow during night or late afternoon. But I'm pretty sure I won't be able to be on the desk during my session. And this is everything for today, guys. I'm going to see you then tomorrow, late, I guess. See you guys.